Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook tag notification not showing problem. When any of Facebook friends tag you in a post, you'll start getting notification about the post activity. If you don't get any notifications when someone has tagged you, watch this video in full. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Profile Settings. Click Notification Settings. Then click Tags. Then turn on all options. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.